I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do another weigh-in and then what food is left over. This has been requested, so thank you so much for your video requests, and I would love to do these videos weekly. So let's step on the scale and see what I weigh now. And so I weigh 65.4, and yeah, so let's go see what is left over out of the food that we bought. And yeah, so I'm gonna do this weekly because some of you are concerned about my weight, and I know I do a lot of cleaning, and I do a lot of it, so that just works against me because I'm compulsively exercising as I'm doing my daily cleaning videos. And I know that's working against me sometimes, so I'm trying to eat more food to balance out the amount of exercising that I do on a daily basis too. Yeah, so let's go and see what's left. So we did buy food last Friday or Saturday, but yeah, so I forgot to show you these chips. These are the Epic Oven Baked Pork Rinds and the Snyder's Snaps. That was bought as well on the same day from BJ's. So those were on the table, and I forgot to put them in the video, so yeah. Those are those. And then we have a little bit of the cheddar, zesty cheddar, and the lime and jalapeno chips. We still have the Cape Cod, and we still have half a loaf of the cereal bread, and we have 4 hot dog buns. We have 2 pieces of cornbread left. I'm saving this for my dad if he wants any. So I had 2 pieces out of this, and I'm saving this for him, so in case he wants what's left over. And this is what's left over out of the cookies. So yeah, my boyfriend has been tearing those up. So, yeah. And that's how many Danishes we have left. So I had 2 out of this box, and then this is what's left of the crackers. So we still have some Texas toast, so we didn't touch that for about maybe 2 days. And we still have the chicken tenders here that we haven't touched either, so that's still there. And so that's the mini beef empanada. So I might have to put that in the fridge so that way it's visible and it's in sight to eat. So let me do that, because it being down here, it's not visible and it's not going to be eaten. So I'm gonna move that. And there's some potato salad left. There's one of these mousses left. That's boyfriend's cookies that he brought over, and I had 1 piece of the cinnamon toast bread. There's some tres leche, so there's 3 pieces missing. My boyfriend had one of those earlier today. This is what's left of the cheese, and we had 4 hot dogs. So that's what's left. And then out of the potatoes, we've been eating these. So there's 3 left of this bag. There's 2, no, 3. There's 3 in this one, or 4. Yeah, there's 4 left of this. There's 2 left in this bag, so I might just, so we're gonna finish that with a little bit of lemon to the butter. So this is what's left of the butter. And there's still, and then there's a pack of butter at the top here, so there's still quite a bit of butter left. There's the eggs that's still there. So out of the condiments, we've been going through a lot of the condiments. So we have this much ketchup left. We've been having it sitting downward, and it's really hard to get the rest of this out. So you might have to just remove the top and finish it. So we still have quite a bit of relish, and we still have the ketchup that we still need to stop. We still have the ranch, and there's a little bit of mayonnaise, so that needs to be on its side as well. So yeah, that's half a bottle of that, and then there's still a full bottle of the mustard, and then this is the creamer that they've been using. So this is the vanilla, and this is the sweet cream, and there's like barely any sweet cream left, so they might have to I have to make a list of stuff that we need so you can pick it up this week. So I gotta make a list of everything that we're running low of. And these are the condiments. I know I don't really show these much often, but these are not really touched unless, you know, he's having a steak or something. So there's a little bit of cocktail sauce, barbecue, spicy. There's some dressing back there, some A1 sauce, and a full thing of Sweet Baby Ray's brown sugar. And sometimes he uses the dill relish, so there's just a little bit left of that. And he does use some of this garlic too when he cooks, so and then there's a little bit of olives left, which I'm gonna have to go through this and do like a butter. Yeah, that's some minced garlic. So let's go in the back. So we have about 4 rows of toilet paper, and we have 3 rows of the paper towels left. That's how much water we have. We still have a half a container of these Gain dryer sheets, and we're running low on the garbage bags as well. So we might have maybe 2 more bags left, 2 or 3 more left. So we have to, I gotta write that down. We still have the laundry soap, so I gotta wash the bottle. It leaked, so I'm gonna have to clean that off and wipe this shelf down. So let's go in here. Let's see what's been eaten in here. Okay, so everything in here still looks the same, all the vegetables and stuff. They sometimes go through this, but I do have to clean and wipe everything down again and reorganize, because we do get these little tiny, like, you know, these little bugs from the cabinet, so I do have to clean it and wipe it down, because if I don't, then they get everywhere in here. And yeah, so this is gonna probably be in tomorrow's video because there's not much in here, so it'll be really easy and very quick to do. And then this is how much food is left. So yeah. And I didn't realize, but this here, my dad cleans with, so he'll mix this with like Windex, and he'll clean with the vinegar, you know, when he's cleaning his bathroom. And I didn't realize that at first, so I'm gonna have to put that back underneath the sink. But yeah, so that's it for the cabinet. And then in the back here, we did eat 3 of these Red Baron pizzas, so there's 6 left. There's half a bag of these egg, cheese, and potato burritos. My boyfriend does not like those. He won't eat it because he doesn't like the potato that's in it, but he does like the one with the bacon. So I've been eating that alone. There's still quite a bit of corn dogs, so we have been eating these. So there's half a box of those. These are still the same. And then there's 3 boxes of the Popeyes. My dad has been eating the chicken Popeyes, and then we still have quite a bit of these burritos here. So this is still a full bag that is not half. And I'm gonna have to take all these out and put them in this box. So this box was open, so we've been eating out of this, and I just gotta switch the boxes out so I can throw this out later. I might do, I gotta clean this fridge and reorganize everything, so I'm gonna do that in tomorrow's video as well. And then he did open the Jamaican beef patties, so my dad's been eating those. And then in here, we have been eating the grapes, so I had a few of those earlier today, and then we still have the orange juice. So we have half a thing of the pineapple orange banana, and we still have a 4th thing of the pineapple orange. So I drink that first thing in the morning after I drink my water. So I have juice and water first thing in the morning. So I'm working on those first before I open up these. And these are the Naked Tropical Variety juices. So, and there's not much beer left, but yeah, that's it. As you can see, I do have to clean this refrigerator. It's disgusting, and yeah, so that's why I need to do this video, because it's filthy. And yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.